So I'm going to give you two characters now, and I want you to try and guess what you think the word might mean. Don't worry, Chinese is not difficult, it's actually super logical. Now the first character is this one. It means to fly. It looks like something flying as well. The second part is this guy, and that means machine. We can use each character on their own, and they're super useful like that. But now that we squeeze them together, we get another word. It's super useful. Flying machine. I'll give you 3 seconds, and now you have to tell me what it means. Yes, fly plus machine, we get an airplane. Now, quite obvious when you think about it, no? Chinese isn't that difficult, and I've proven that to you now. Keep watching our videos, and I'll keep proving that same point. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again.